Okay guys, welcome to my a new video, a top traffic source to promote your affiliate link, guaranteed leads. This is very important to get traffic to your affiliate link. Uh, Professional marketers usually using paid traffic, but I will show you with this video free traffic that you can use to promote your affiliate link. This traffic comes from YouTube. Don't worry about creating a video. I will show you how exactly, sorry, how exactly you can get traffic from YouTube without making any video. Okay. Also, for a bonus, I will show you paid traffic that you can use to promote your affiliate link or your landing page. You can also use this paid traffic to rank your website higher in a search engine like Google, Yahoo, YouTube search engine, and other search engines. Okay, so basically, this is very important to get traffic to your website. If you have a website without getting traffic, so you will never get any payment, or you will never make money without traffic. Okay, so I decide to show you two ways that I am using daily. One of them is YouTube. Like you see, this is my YouTube channel, and my videos getting unlimited views daily. And of course, from their unlimited visitors clicks my links below every video and visit my affiliate links. I am using YouTube to promote ClickBank affiliate links and CPA offers like Max Bounty or Perfly and the other CPA network. Of course, you can use it too if you want to start with the YouTube and you don't want to make any videos, so you can you can see YouTube making money YouTube dot makingmoneyacademy.net, and all you have to do, you can download all these free videos. You can see free videos to use. There is unlimited videos. All these videos is about make money online niche. So you can use this video to promote your make money product. You can use these videos to promote your ClickBank product niche, of course, make money niche. Okay. And the CPA product niche, and your landing page or any offer you promoting. Also, you can use these videos to promote a forex niche or a trading niche. Okay, so this is free. You can download all these packages. There is unlimited videos on these packages, over 100 videos that you can download and upload to your channel, and from there you will get unlimited views for free, and you will get unlimited visitors to your affiliate link. Okay, so you can download these videos for free, and you will get unlimited free traffic to your affiliate link. Now I will show you for a bonus. I will show you paid traffic that professional marketers using to promote their affiliate link and their landing pages and getting unlimited traffic guaranteed. Okay, so traffic source number one is a turbo website traffic. This is a fantastic traffic to promote your affiliate link. You can promote any affiliate link you want using this great traffic. Okay, and the second traffic is a safe traffic rotator. You can see this website. Uh, are you looking for safe, cheap advertising for your website? This website will give you unlimited traffic to your link, and you will get unlimited real traffic to your affiliate link. This is very important to get real traffic to your affiliate link. So this is the great place to get traffic to your any link. Uh, the next traffic source you can see toptrafficads.com. Okay, this is also a fantastic traffic source that you can use it to promote your affiliate link. You can see there is unlimited advertisers here, and you can find unlimited product, clickbank product or CPA product. You can get unlimited traffic from this website, and the best part of this website that you can use your category. Okay, you can use your category and get a very target traffic, and this is very important. You can see all this package is very cheap traffic. Okay, the second traffic source is traffic cache list. You can see this website. There is unlimited, a lot of um, traffic sources here. Okay, bulk traffic, lifetime traffic, premium traffic, sign up, solo ads, unlimited website traffic. You can choose your package. You can choose your niche, and you will get unlimited traffic to your website. Of course, you can promote any niche using this website. You can promote your ClickBank affiliate link or your CPA offers. You can build your list using this traffic, and from there you will get a commission and sales and cash. Okay, the second traffic source is traffic ads net. This is also one of my best traffic source that I am using to promote unlimited product from Max Bounty, and I am promoting some of my landing pages. Okay, so basically you can promote, you can see here advertisers. There is a unlimited product from a ClickBank. There is unlimited uh, landing pages that you can see. You can come to this website and visit some of them, so you can see what product running there, and what affiliate marketers promoting using this website. Here's I see YouTube links, channel, Bitcoin product, great landing page. I visit all these products. Okay, you can see here's another landing page. Okay, so I think you get the point. This website is fantastic, and also you can see you can choose here your category and your affiliate network. Okay, so you can see here Clickbank and Payspray. Okay, if you have any store with eBay or Amazon, you can promote here. This is a fantastic target traffic to promote your affiliate link or any product you want to promote. Okay, so thank you. I hope this video was help you. I hope you understand that without traffic, you will never get a commission. So this is very important to get traffic, no matter if this free traffic or paid traffic. This is very important to get traffic to your affiliate link daily. Okay, you have to get traffic to your affiliate link daily. That's and if you want to get a commission, okay, if you want to build your list and the commission from there, and if you want to grow your business, so you need traffic. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. If you need any help online, so please you can type your comment below this video. I will be happy to help everyone. Thank you again. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you again and have a good day. Thank you very much.